Hi there, I'm Craig Ogilvie. I'm HMRC's Making Tax Digital Programme Director. So I've been in HMRC for 20 years. I've been part of and watched some of the most significant transformations. I'm absolutely thrilled to be able to lead Making Tax Digital, and having the opportunity to lead such a change is without doubt the most proud achievement in my career. And I'm really excited to be able to deliver it both for HMRC and the United Kingdom overall. Making Tax Digital is critical to reducing error for small businesses, but that's not the only point that I would like to tell in this story. It is critical that HMRC moves on to a modern infrastructure. MTD, Making Tax Digital, helps us get there. It also helps us meet customer expectations in providing the software and customer experience that we're all used to in the 21st century. I don't underestimate how big a challenge that is, but I'm confident that we've got the design, we've got the team, and we've got the ethos of collaborating with our stakeholders that can help us be really successful. I really believe we can do this, but actually it's the partnership with agents, accountants, rep bodies that will actually help us be successful, none more so than the relationship and the partnering with software developers. I've been really impressed since taking over the role of their commitment. But we know it is a long road. We know we've got lots to develop together. So I think the key points is I personally am really committed to that relationship. We have to do it through collaboration and partnering, and I believe we're in a really good position to drive forward on that front. The tax gap, or put simply, tax not collected, a large part of it is made up of error or failure to take reasonable care. Making Tax Digital makes tax simpler, easier and closer to real time, and it really helps us address that part of the tax gap. There is already significant evidence that shows the benefit of Making Tax Digital from VAT. I'll just pick a few of those. So 2/3 of businesses are reporting that it reduces errors, and around about 80% have said that they find filing through third-party software easy. Making Tax Digital isn't just about that annual tax revenue. It's about digitalisation. It's about improving productivity. I do think things will be bumpy along the way. We should be honest about that and look at how together we can overcome some of the obstacles that will come our way. By working in partnership with software developers, agents and rep bodies, I absolutely know we can make MTD a collective success.